Hello everybody, and it's Damien, and I'm hanging out by the creek. See, it's all frozen solid again. God dang it. It used to be flowing like a river, but now it's moving very slowly. Let's go over where I was just a little minute ago. See? Frozen solid. Tried throwing some rocks at it. Apparently it didn't do anything. So I'm going to test it right now. Well, I don't think it's solid right there. It's not breaking. Hey, I'll take you down to where the waterfall is. I'll take you guys down where the waterfall is. Whew. It's actually a nice day for spring. Alright, gotta be careful here. I'll probably bring you videos during the summertime. Enjoying my Sunday, I guess. Well, I don't know why I'm enjoying it. Because I never should enjoy my Sundays because school. We have to go to school tomorrow. We'll open this up. That ice, not so solid. Here's the water running down. Nothing swimming yet though. But maybe, actually, how about we take a little walk down to the place where fish could be. So, gotta go all the way back up the hill. There we go. Gotta go all the way back up there. Oh. Kind of a workout here. Alright, we gotta walk down the hill. It's not that bad camping weather. Kind of cold out here. Oh, we're out there. We're out there. Hands numb. We're about there. Looks like it's frozen so far. You can kind of see it down there. I don't think it's open down here. I don't hear anything. Last time I was down here, it was making some noise. Some good camping weather that we're in right now. That's where I'll be making most of my videos in the summertime, because that's where all these fish are, and I'm going to go get a little closer look. And probably this is the place right where we're standing, right here. And that's where the bridge used to be. This is probably where I'll start the videos, and yeah, I can look right now, see if I can see any fish. I don't see any fish. But we can go get a closer look. See if they're spawning any fish, because my dad told me that they could be spawning fish at this time. Right, here we go. All the weeds are down, so a lot of birds. Crap. A lot of birdies. Yeah, all the weeds are down, but in the summertime, everyone out there, in the summertime, this place is covered with weeds. It's not. Someone's been down here. No fish yet, but it's kind of cool. being down here at this time. Because there's no weeds in the way. Right where I'm walking right now is where those weeds are covering this area. I don't see any fish, so I don't think they'll be here for a while because of the cold water. Look at that. It's crazy. Would you look at that? Yeah. Creek. Creek. Here's a deep part. Yeah, no fish yet, but they'll be here soon. The only thing that sucks about this place during the time is that there's a bunch of little wasps that come down here in the sand. And there it is, all frozen. And look at, even right there, the water must like froze while it was moving really good, so that kind of sucks. The next video down the creek will probably be when this is all running and all calmed down, because when this crap unfreezes, it's going to be a war. It's going to be a river. So when this, next time I'll be down here, it's probably the summertime, or when this starts running nice and peacefully so it's safe enough for me to come down here. And I'll be catching fish, and maybe have a friend. See ya.